So now let's see how we can utilize the Arrange Image option inside of Google Vids. For that, I'm going to go around over here onto stock, and let me just go around onto stock image and insert it out right here. So let's say I have this image right here just like this, and let's say I want to arrange it out. In that case, you can go around onto the arrange menu, and here you can see that image is an option. So once you go around over here, you can see that you can set the image as a background just like this, as you can see, and this is what you have. If I were to go ahead and right click, now you can see that you have an option to detach the image from background right here, and that is simply what you have in arrange option right here. So if I were to go around over here and set the image out as background, I can go around and you can see that there is no more image option. You have to right click right here and detach the image from background, and then you get the set image as background option inside of the arrange menu just like that. And that is how you can work around with the arrange image option inside of Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.